little boy?
Jackson Tyler.
Oh, okay. Good night.
Good night. Sleep tight, don't let the big bugs bite. Because if they do, they burn you in the fire if you sure. Look at my big bug. Grub. My bigger bug.
Oh my goodness.
No. Monsters. Monsters. Boo.
Okay.
Happy
Okay.
Halloween.
Okay, can you take my laundry basket off your head, please?
No. I'll never.
Never? For Halloween, you're going to be a laundry basket?
Yeah.
I thought you were going to be the Incredible Hulk.
Well, I want to be a laundry basket for Halloween.
Oh, I know. I thought you were going to be Thor. That's what you're going to be, right?
No, I want to be a Hulk.
Hulk?
Thank you for bringing that up. There, Remy.
Hey, put my laundry basket down, please.
No, I'll never.
Hey.
Is that what you're supposed to say to you grown-ups?
Never.
Never?
Never let them pirate. When you pirate food, there's nothing that you can do.
Who sings that?
Chicka chicka boom boom.
What?
Boom boom.
Chicka chicka boom boom?
Yeah.
Show me chicka chicka boom boom.
Okay, I'll show you. Boom boom.
Do that.
There's a fire on station. Get the ladder down.
No.
Oh my goodness.
Don't touch my foot, please.
Get
That's
the
so
ladder down.
gross.
Jackson, come here and say goodnight to the camera.
Good night, camera.